The exchange rate popped up above 65 US cents when the monthly inflation release hit traders' screens, but when they looked at the details, they sold again, and tonight it's roughly where it was last night. And that happened because inflation is still well within the Reserve Bank's target band, but more importantly, the reason it went up in July was that electricity prices jumped 13% in a month as rebates ended. So the RBA won't take any notice of that. On the share market, there was a big mess on aisle 3 when Woolworths said it was cutting the dividend by 21% after a 10% fall in profit. And Coles kept going up. Domino's pizza was sliced after its profit was less than expected, and Droneshield was also shot down after a disappointing result. US market led global share prices generally higher today, and on commodity markets, gold and Bitcoin went up, while oil and iron ore went down. Manufacturing has declined as a share of most economies in the world, in fact all except South Korea, but nowhere more than Australia. This is one reason why productivity has fallen, because the care industries that have taken its place have lower productivity and it's harder to get that up. And finally, an interesting study of populist governments. There's been a huge increase in the number of them in the past 3 decades, and since about 2010, they've been mostly right-wing, not left-wing. But the study focused on what happened to the economies of countries taken over by populists over the past 100 years. It's usually disastrous. GDP deteriorates by about 1% a year. And that's finance.